How to enable sleep on wrist down. So basically this here, when it's enabled and you have your watch on and you face it down like this here, it's gonna enter it into the sleep mode or the lock screen mode, all right? So if you've been looking for this feature, here's where you can go to find it. While in the clock face view mode here, like this here, press down on the crown one time. Once here now, tap on the settings or you're going into the main settings of your Apple Watch. Once there now, go down and keep going down until you see accessibility. Once here now, you'll go down some more and keep going down. Pass all this here and you're going into where it says assistive touch, this right there. Once in this section here, you don't necessarily need to turn this on. The feature itself is separate on its own and it's right here, sleep on wrist down. And again, this is going to be useful if you have your wait duration to 70 seconds and you don't want to wait that long all the time for your watch to enter into the sleep mode. So once this is on, you have your watch on and you face it downwards like this here, you'll notice how it'll enter into the lock screen or the sleep mode. Hopefully this was useful. Like and sub, and hey, thanks for watching.